Welcome to Home of Leaders. The Supreme Court gave Donald Trump a major victory ahead of Super Tuesday by allowing his name to appear on primary ballots in states challenging his presidential candidacy. Sorry for interrupting. Before we continue, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you. In an opinion issued Monday, the court sided with Trump in Colorado's 14th Amendment case, overturning the state Supreme Court's ruling that he was ineligible to vote because his role in the Capitol riots of January 6, 2021. Justice Amy Coney Barrett wrote a concurring opinion supplementing the court's unanimous decision. This opinion consists of just 2 paragraphs, containing a message to the American people. For present purposes, our disagreements are much less important than our agreement. All 9 justices agree on the outcome of this case. This is a message Americans should take home, she wrote. The decision comes ahead of the most important primary day of the 2024 election cycle, when voters in 16 states, including Colorado and 1 territory, will announce their choices. Maine, one of 3 states awaiting a Supreme Court decision on the validity of Trump's candidacy, will also hold its primary election on Tuesday. Illinois, the 3rd state affected by Monday's decision, will not hold its primary election until March 19. Norm Eisen, U.S. Ambassador and Special Advisor to the House Judiciary Committee, said to Newsweek, they decided this on the eve of Super Tuesday because they felt that the American people had a right to know whether the candidate on the ballot was an insurrectionist or not. Last month, the justices heard oral arguments in the Colorado case and signaled they would rule in Trump's favor, questioning why individual states should be able to determine a candidate's eligibility. National candidate. A decision wasn't expected until March 15. But a surprise schedule update on Sunday suggested a decision would be made before Super Tuesday. I think the question you're going to have to address is why does a state decide who becomes President of the United States, said Justice Elena Kagan, one of the court's 3 liberal justices. At the hearing on February 8, former U.S. Attorney Barbara McQuade told Newsweek that Monday's decision was not a surprise given the skepticism the justices expressed during oral arguments. They say only Congress can enforce Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, not the states, which would lead to a myriad of solutions, McQuade said. While current law provides that only Congress can prevent Trump from running, voters still have the power to prevent him from running. The justices have not yet decided whether Trump is liable for his efforts to overturn the 2020 election results, which they agreed to hear last week. They are also considering excluding defendants in the January 6 case, which could affect the federal charges against Trump.